Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to actually make viral AI thumbnails. So this is the website which is called canva.com. Make sure you will have logged in and I will be on a free trial and I will just tap on it simply YouTube thumbnails to create amazing AI thumbnails. And you will just search your niche and what catches the audience attention and you will just analyze trending thumbnails in this, and when it's completely load I will just tell you how it's work. So from here there are some thumbnails are free to use and some are in pro version. When you just uh, take the subscription of it and you will be able to use it easily. So example, if I just tap on it, this one template, and you will just simply, it is almost created. What work is you will just change the like title name, and you will just also change the image. And if I just like change this one, I freelancer, I will just double tap on it and backspace, and I will just write it how to become a like vlogger. So you will just have to simply click on the right side, it will be save the changes. So in this way you will just have actually make viral AI thumbnails on this website which is called canva.com, and you will just design very more. And if you just change the color and you just tap on it on the background blue color, and you will just simply tap on it background colors, and if I just on like blue, so in this way you will have to change the color also. And hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.